Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing. I did go ahead and cut the box already, but I wanted to kind of open everything up on camera with you guys. I wanted to do this video a lot sooner than this, but I always tend to get them later in the month, which is a bit annoying, but yeah. But I'm obsessed with my makeup today. I did pull out my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I forgot how much I love this palette. It's just got a lot of beautiful neutral cool tones, which I love cool tones. I know they're not really popular here on YouTube, but I love me some cool tones. And today I actually tried out some new lashes from Pure. Pure sent me a bunch of their lashes over in lash glue. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try them out today. So I tried these ones that I'm wearing today. These are Diva. They sent me Diva and Bombshell. Yeah, Bombshell. I haven't tried Bombshell, but Diva I love. I think it really makes this look. They were super easy to get on. I'm not sure if I was just having a really good lash day or these lashes were just easy, but I was like, ploop, on, done, no adjusting, and I think it really makes the look. I love these lashes. Definitely go try and check them out, and if you haven't gotten this, go get it. You're welcome. And the lipstick I'm wearing, which I just ate a turkey bacon ranch sandwich, and my lipstick's still on, and it was sloppy. Like, it was a sloppy sandwich. And this is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in Stepping Out. So yeah, actual favorite. Like, I love this lipstick. I haven't worn it in forever, and this is pretty much empty. Like, I had to scrape it to get it, but I love this lip color. But anyway, yeah, so let's get into the actual video that we're filming today, which is the BoxyCharm unboxing. Okay, so this month's box, I guess the theme is Afterglow, which looks like this, and I'm not going to look at what's in it because I want to be surprised, but right off the bat, I'm already excited. I see something from Sol de Janeiro, which is their new cream. It is the Coco Cabana cream, and this is like my favorite color, so I've been dying to try this. The Sephora that we have where I live doesn't carry this. It only has the original Bum Bum cream, so I'm really excited. Oh my god, it smells like a pina colada. This makes me want summer so freaking bad. Let me try it on. I usually do these videos and like try everything on, but when it came, I already had my makeup on, and this is really the only day I have to film this week. So I figured we'll just open it together, and maybe in another video I'll try everything, but I'm gonna try this now. God, this smells so good. If you don't like the smell of coconuts or pina coladas or really tropical scents, you won't like this, but if you do like those smells, you're gonna love this. Oh, and it's so hydrating. Yes, I'm so excited. You get quite a bit in here. It's a little mini travel size one. I have some travel size ones of the Bum Bum cream that I gave out at Christmas time, and it was the same size. So far, loving this. I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to take a bath tonight and like douse my body in this. You guys know I talk about Sol de Janeiro on my channel all the time, and I love them. I haven't tried anything I don't like. Okay, let's see. Digging in more. Okay, they also sent a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is like a cult classic favorite mascara. I personally don't like it, so I'll probably pass this along to my daughter. She loves mascara. She has the most beautiful natural lashes ever, so I'll probably go ahead and give that to her. It's just too wet, and I don't have a lot of lashes, so it always tends to like clump my lashes together. I really only like MAC Giga Black Lash and Benefit Roller Lash. Okay, the next item I see is from Touch in Sol, which I've seen this at Sephora or on Sephora online, and I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm interested to try it. It's called No Pore Blem Primer. So no pore blem. Haha, I get it. But I guess it's a pore blurring type of primer. I love the Makeup Forever. I don't even know where it is. I threw it somewhere. The Makeup Forever Pore Blurring Prime, the Step 1. And I love that. So, and I love pore blurring primers. They're my favorite. I use one every single day because I have some pores right around here that I like to hide. So I'm definitely interested in giving this a try and giving that brand a try because, like I said, I've never actually tried it, and I've seen it in Sephora quite a lot. Oh, I'm really excited about this. So last month's box, or no, December's box, I got this Pretty Vulgar powder, which I have all over my face right now, and I've been loving it. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about the Pretty Vulgar, so I never wanted to try it myself. I was a little skeptical, but in this box they did send over a bronzer, and I just love Pretty Vulgar's packaging. It's just so pretty. Let me take a look at the color. Looks really nice. It looks like a very neutral, a neutral toned bronzer, not too warm, not too cool. So definitely my favorite type of shade of bronzer, so I'm gonna use this and definitely let you guys know. This is in the shade Bronzed B. So 113 Bronzed B. It's called Bronzed Mankini. I don't know if it's called Bronzed B or Bronzed Mankini, but here is what that looks like. I don't know if it's glaring, if you can read it or not. But I'm definitely going to give this a try. So far, I've been really impressed with Pretty Vulgar. I know someone I watch here on YouTube, I can't remember who it was, really likes their gel liner. So I'd like to give their gel liner a try. I'm not sure if they're still selling this in Sephora or not. I know it launched in Sephora, but like I said, I don't really hear a lot of people talk about it. And so far, what I've tried, I've really liked. You know, the one thing I've tried, so I guess I really tried a lot. But the one thing I've tried, I've really liked, so I'm excited to give that a try. And the last item in the box is from Nude Sticks, and it is copper foil. So it looks like this. Let me go and take the plastic off. I know some people love Nude Sticks and like they swear by it, and they're like, I guess it's more really natural makeup. I've had a few things from there that I've really liked. But I love copper, anything on the eye, so I'm excited to check this out. Whoop. That is what it looks like, and let's go ahead and... so that is what that looks like. That'll be really pretty on the eye, especially if you have green eyes or blue eyes. I think this would look really pretty, but it's not like too orangey copper. Like, I don't like the coppers that are too orange tone coppers. I think this is a really nice neutral copper, so I'm excited to try this. I think that's gonna be really pretty all over the lid. And is that it? Yep, that's it. So that's all I got in this month's box. I think I'm gonna like everything in it except for the Better Than Sex mascara, which this is a great, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's a full size mascara. I think this mascara is in the $28 range. So it paid for this box in and of itself. It's just not my favorite mascara, but I know so many people love this mascara. So it probably made a lot of people very, very happy. It's just, I just don't have the lashes for it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But like I said, I'm going to give that to my daughter. I'm going to try the rest of these products out. I think my favorite thing is probably the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. I think this is a lot of fun. But yeah, so I'm excited about the box. I'm going to try some things. I'll let you know in an upcoming video. I don't know if I will make it a dedicated like BoxyCharm update video, but I'll probably, if I really like the things, I'll add them in my next monthly favorites for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do you guys get BoxyCharm? Do you like it? Is there another subscription box I should be trying that I'm not? Let me know down below. I love you, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.